Hello guys, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you guys are doing good and you are loving our on-campus placement series. So guys, let's see this question which states that sort elements in an array by frequency. Guys, till now we have read many elements, many types of question which contain some repetition, non-repetition. We used maps, few times we use sets and all. But this question is bit different in that you need to sort this array like from descending order. Descending order means बड़े से छोटा means from large value to the small value we need to print it. Like you can see in this particular array 2 repeated 3 times, 1 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 2 times, 4 repeated 1 times. So you need to traverse this particular array and print it, the print according to their occurrence, like whichever element is whichever element has large frequency or more frequency than other element, it should be first, similar to second, third and fourth. So how we can solve this question? So this question is a bit like same question. We use again map. In this case we'll store whole frequencies like 2 repeated 3 times, 1 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 2 times, 4 repeated 1 times. We'll store this, and what I am telling is we'll sort it, because when you apply this map on this particular array, fine, so it will not look like this. It will be some jumbled, like 4 will come 1 and something like that. So you need to print in the descending order of frequency from large number to minimum frequencies. Fine. So what I will do, I will sort this. Let's say for now I will write it 1 comma 2 it is there, 2 comma 3 it is there, now 4 comma 1 it is there, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 it is there. But the answer should be like this. So how I can do that? We can do that using map. Fine, this is clear. We are using map. Now I will sort the map values. I will sort the map according to their values, and it should be in descending order. Whatever I said, will write it into the code directly. It is not a different thing that I would do. We need to sort the values which is present in the map, not keys. Okay, map stores values in key, has a key and values, but I will sort it according to the values. Fine. So the value will look like this: 3, 2, 2, 1. And according to that, key will be also being shifted as per the frequency being shifted in this map. Now, what is the time complexity, Aditya, and what is the space complexity? Time complexity is order of n. We are not traversing more than one, and the space complexity will be order of n because we are taking map, and we are sorting also. So it would be into, it not be into, it would be plus. So it would be order of n log n because we are sorting it also, plus order of n because I am reversing it also. Fine, but it is not been considered because in many languages you can sort it according to the reverse order, and in this case also I am sorting into the reverse order. So how we can do that? It is a new concept, guys. Make a note of this particular problem, like how you can sort the values, not values. You can also sort the keys also according to the necessity or by doing problems. And I will tell you that please revise this question 1 to 2 times in a week, so that this particular thing will not go outside your mind, because in CP we use this type of conditions. You will get this type of condition so many times. So now let's move to our code. The code will look like, we have a collection. I am using collection here, store default it. Now I am storing all the frequencies in the store map. Fine. Now what I am doing is sort. Fine. I am taking a variable which will sort. Sorted means a function which will sort the array. Now what I need to store, I need to sort is whatever element present in the store. So store.items will be sorted. How we can sort it? Key is a way, like we are giving instruction while sorting this whatever array or anything that we have given into it. Now lambda is a function here which tells item. We need to sort an item. What item? Present at I values 1 means the value. So key value will be present at the 0th index and the value is present on the 1's index. So we are giving items 1 value, and make sure that it should be in descending. Fine. So make sure that it should be in descending and print the sorted frequency, and all this would be done in one line, and it will be stored in the answer, and you just need to print it. Now if you want to see the answer, you can just click on this, and yes, we can see why it is not given. Answer is not defined, it is telling that, but we have defined it. Now let's run it again and see. Okay, so now you can see that, oh, it's symmetry program it is running, not this one. Please run this one, sort element. Yeah guys, it is sorting. Fine, it is sorting. I sorry for the taking time. I was analyzing it because I think it should be in the array format, but it is in the dictionary format. Fine, 3 6 times, 2 5 times, 1 3 times, 5 2 times, and 4 1 times. If you need to do this, like it is in tuple, I guess it is in tuple 3 6, you can print it in any order. If you need, like 3 should be printed in 6 times, you can do that, and 2 also printed for the 5 times. So if you want to do that, let's see how we can do this. Is answer, we have 2 values, so let's for num in answer, then we will get 2 values, which will be the first. Let's take it first, and second will be the occurrence from num we'll get. Now for I in range, from I in range second, because second is the frequency, for I in range is second, just we need to print first that many times. Fine, and we'll maintain this and equals to this, so that it will be in the same order. Now let's have a quick run and see whether written. Yeah, you can see that 3 printed 6 times, 2 printed 5 times, 1 similarly that the output we need that. Fine, so this would be the code in Python, which is a pretty complex, I would say, because this is a new program to you now. But have a note of this. This is a very easy to remember which element we need to sort and all the location we have given. If you remove this, it will be sorted in the ascending order, but we need in descending, so I have written reverse equivalent to true. So now you can see that in C++, we are all, with the code is same, we are making a pair like same as a map, and you can see here the operation, it is an method that we can sort it according to their values. So have a look on this, how we can create. You will find multiple videos on that, how we can create a method in this, as well as in Java there's a bit difference. Entry set, okay, and for getting values, okay, map, we have default. See, default means it will be taking as 0 plus 1. If nums is already been exited in the store, it will add the value. Fine. Now list.map.entry, we are creating a new list. Now collection.sort according to the greatest value. This is a function which will store which will sort the particular list according to their second value. Fine. Now you just need to print it and your program is up. We have discussed the time complexity also. If you like this video, please, if you got anything from the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you got any issues, doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will happy to respond to you back. So have a good day.